Chapter 6, Example 4. Is it reasonable to discuss the correlation between pot usage and other drug usage? Now, if you notice, this doesn't say find the correlation. All we need to do is check the conditions. We will look at our scatter plot. Again, graph this on the calculator on your own. And if you need help on how to do it, refer to example number 2. So we've plotted pot on our x-axis, other on the y, because we're saying is there a correlation between pot usage and other drugs? Pot is mentioned first. And it's that common idea that pot is a gateway drug, so it should make sense that pot is our explanatory variable, whereas the other drugs are the response variable. So we have 3 things we need to check. We'll go ahead and discuss the relationship first. The relationship between pot usage and other drug usage has a strong, positive, linear association. As pot usage in a country increases, usage of other drugs generally increases. There may be an outlier with pot usage of 55%, but this is not influential because it is in line with the rest of the data. So we used Duff's, and we used context. We compared what's going on. We said, in general, as pot usage increases, other drug usage increases as well. Now let's check our conditions. Both variables are quantitative, and the scatter plot is fairly straight. Also, since there are no outliers that would influence the correlation, it is reasonable to discuss correlation for the association between pot usage and usage of other drugs. So we talk about straight enough, quantitative variables, and outliers. And we also throw in context just to strengthen our argument.